Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to delete thumbs.db on Windows 10, so you can remove unnecessary thumbnail cache files from your system easily. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your Windows 10 computer by clicking the folder icon on the taskbar or pressing the Windows key and E together. File Explorer helps you access all files, folders, and drives stored on your system. Step 2. Click on View from the top menu inside File Explorer. This option allows you to control how files and folders are displayed, which is important for locating hidden system files. Step 3. Click on Show from the View menu to see additional display options. This section contains settings that let you reveal items that are usually hidden from normal view. Step 4. Check the Hidden Items option by clicking on it. This is important because the thumbs.db file is a hidden system file and will not appear unless hidden items are enabled. Step 5. Click on This PC from the left-hand panel. This location shows all your drives and allows Windows to search across the entire computer. Step 6. Click on the search box located in the top right corner of the File Explorer window. The search box helps you quickly find specific files across folders and drives. Step 7. Type thumbs.db in the search box and press Enter on your keyboard. Windows will now scan your system to locate any thumbs.db files stored on your computer. Step 8. Once the thumbs.db file appears in the search results, right-click on thumbs.db. Right-clicking opens a menu with actions you can perform on the file. Step 9. Click on Delete to remove the thumbs.db file from your system. This deletes the thumbnail cache file, which Windows can recreate later if needed. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel for more helpful Windows tutorials.